Hello guys, I'm Adriana and today with Leonardo we'll talk about the advantages to have your own business. So stay with us until the end because we'll share with you from our experiences. Working for yourself offers a number of advantages, such as the opportunity to have a flexible schedule, the ability to work from home or another location, the total control over your projects, the potential to earn more money, and the freedom to work in the field of your choice. Also, it gives you the opportunity to develop leadership, management, and negotiational skills. The main disadvantage is the high initial costs to set up as a freelancer, such as setup costs, licenses, taxes, and insurances. Working for yourself also means that you'll not receive the benefits of an employer, such as social security, accident insurance, and unemployment compensation. Why you should work for yourself and set up your own business. Working for a company offers you a salary and a limited schedule. On the other hand, when you set up your own business, you have the potential to generate greater income, even a great economic impact. Self-employment is an excellent option to those who attempt to find greater financial and professional freedom. It allows you to develop your own ideas, to carry out the project that you consider interesting, and to enjoy the result of your own effort. If you are ready to take responsibility for your own finances and you have the passion to start your own business, self-employment might be the best option for you. Take control of your financial and professional life has never been easier. Heads up, you need to be very careful and avoid not dying of success. Many people receive too much work and over time they cannot meet delivery deadlines. This can lead you to the bankruptcy of the company. Therefore, it's very important to know the amount of work that can be handled and not to exceed with too much orders. This might seem trivial, but Leonardo knows many people who have fallen into this situation. Working for oneself presents both advantages and disadvantages. Being someone open to risks, I recommend you to start gradually, setting up a workshop at home to repair phone for your friends, family, WhatsApp groups, and so on. This is a good way to embark without fear of a big commitment. Once you feel ready, you can take the step of setting up your own store. In this way, you can invest the necessary amount to acquire the tools that are necessary for your business. At first, when we started, we could get around 500 euros per month, but after several months, even a year, that amount increased to 3,000 euros. That was the time to open our business. Here in Spain, we've got the possibility of paying a self-employed in the first year at a reduced price, around 80 euros per month. And yes, after this first year, if you don't want to continue, you can cancel it without any problems. If you look for the stability of a job, the entrepreneurship is not the option for you. Starting a business has its advantage and disadvantage, and success is far from guaranteed. If you are a person with money management skills and an investment mentality without fear, then having a business can be a realistic option for you. It is necessary to be clear that to start a business, many sacrifice, dedication, and hours of work are necessary. Being a leader in your business is essential to be able to move forward. The $1 million question. Can you become a millionaire with a mobile repair shop? The correct answer is no, but other doors can open to you to invest in other things, which we'll see in another class. To succeed in any business is necessary to be one of the best in your sector. This is the key. Over time, it's important to invest in new tools and stand out from the competition. If you start generating income and you spend it on nonsense instead of investing it in the development of your business, you are taking the wrong path. Part of your profits should be reinvested in your business and in new tools. I don't know how businesses is going in other countries, but here in Spain, running a business is quite complicated due to the existing tax pressure. Should I complain about this? No, because I am the one who has chosen this path. 10, 15, or 20 years ago, running a business was much easier than it is today. This is due to the technological advances, the increase in competition, and the greater demands of customers that have made running a business today much more difficult. Practically, there are businesses which is impossible to compete with, like is the giant Amazon. For the moment, we are lucky because we've got our job secured for a couple of decades. For now, I don't see artificial intelligence interfering with our task. So get yourself to learn how to repair mobile devices. This can be a great source of income since in less than an hour you could generate the salary of a day of work. Don't miss this opportunity. To undertake means to think big, to create your destiny, not to give up, to be persistent, to be innovative, to act now, to take risks, to enjoy the way, to be brave, to be flexible, and most importantly, to learn from your mistakes. At the end, we'll see the 5 steps to not fail in your business. You should set realistic goals. Set short, medium, and long-term goals. This will help you to stay motivated and to follow the progress of your work. Seek support from your family and friends. When you undertake a project, you need the support of your people around you. This will help you to feel motivated and secure that you are on the right track. Create a support network. Establish a relationship with people who can support you and offer your advice. This will help you to stay motivated and not to feel alone in your adventure. You need to visualize your success. Imagine the success of your adventure. This will help you to stay focused in the right direction and not to lose your motivation. Reward yourself for your achievements. Don't forget to reward yourself for your achievements. This will help you to keep the momentum going towards your venture. Guys, this was today's video. He is Leonardo. We hope you enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.